Kavine and Courtney here, and together we are Majestic Love. So today we are going to shut up. We are going to film an intro for our channel. It is important because we're gonna film the intro today, and also we are going to, we're going to go by the pool. A part of the intro is being filmed by the pool, so we're gonna do that. Also later we have this thing called Crocs and Critters that we found on Airbnb, where you basically get to see little crocodiles sometimes. I'm scared as hell a little bit, but babe is excited, right babe?
Who doesn't make excited?
It shows you're excited. But anyways, we excited for that. So I think it begins at 3:30 to 4:30, so we're excited to go there, and we're gonna go down and have some, yeah, it's like 48 minutes. We're gonna go down and have some breakfast, and then film the intro, then come back up.
We want to go to the gym.
And he wants to go to the gym.
You're coming.
I'm not coming.
Of course.
By the way guys, today is the day I should have taken out my braces, but here I am with this one after 5 years. I could have been braces free, but no. You have to say for yourself.
You don't.
Well, this babe, my hand tired now.
Do something.
Alright, now you're done. Anyway guys, we go catch up with y'all later when we're down by breakfast and then the pool. Peace. Our food.
Oh.
You like that much?
Yeah,
guys, breakfast is served. Even though the sun is shining on my face, but breakfast is good. We're having good old breakfast. Babe, you seem to love the banana, the bread pudding. What's that? You like it? Is that bummy?
yeah.
So guys, we're by the pool at the Marriott, JW Marriott. The sun is beaming. I'm so happy about that. We haven't had the sun in so long, so that is very exciting. But they have an infinity pool. I think this is so gorgeous. An infinity pool. We're just looking for some towels now. I'm afraid to test the water, you know.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to do it today.
Cold to hell. The water is cold, you know, guys. I don't know how I'm going to film that video. I'm going to let it on here. We are out on a boat. Is there a step up here? Babe, hold the camera. Look how nice we feel. That lighting good? Right, we'll come up here. No, no, no. No, no. First of all, what? We're going to go close and then we go turn away. We're going to go eat separately, okay? That's first. Come. Alright. First, get a look.
What's that stick?
That's so weird.
You were still looking. Yeah, don't look up right. Come on.
No, man, come swim. Come up here. You gotta save me. Just stand up. Yeah, you see a guy talk about me drowning, we must just stand up. 4 minutes already? Anyways, y'all, we're at the pool. I mean, this pool is everything. It's like an infinity pool. I hope I drop my camera down there. But that's the canal over there apparently. Somewhere over there, so yeah. Life nice. Babe, want me swim. You must be cool already. Babe, come back. I'm gonna swim to you now. I can't believe babe come out of the water already. Why you do that?
You can't get out there.
We can't bother with you, you know. We need one shot. Hey guys, I'm not enough for it. And this one is by the pool. Him no one come in the water, but must splash him up here now. Splash him up here now. Duck me, man, duck me. I like more you to duck me. Duck me if you're bad. Are you? Show me how I took my phone in, man. Wait, stop! Why would you wet my face? You're gonna learn, you know. Come down. Come down, babe, so I'm warm now, you know. Come. Come in at the water. What? Why you put your power playlist? Anyway. Babe is leaving out the thing because I don't know why. I don't know why I'm coming out of the water. Yeah. Infinity pool. My eyes. I might swim down, guys, but I feel so. I'm gonna show you my bikini once we're done. KK, stand by. My earrings are intact. babe?
I wanna meet you.
Trouble deeper. Thank you.
Yeah.
Baby, come here something.
Right here. See,
Hold on, we're not done. What do you think is another food? Okay. I smell some good rice and peas I cook, babe.
Forward.
You do that.
Okay, now.
Lazy pool there. They pause that before they copyright me. Yeah, pool day, but he's tired now. Babe, what time is it? 10:09. You know, I think we'll go for it, you know. What we can do in the meantime? Stay by the pool. Yeah. So, probably
Good.
the lighting is good. Yeah, we'll do something like that. Bye.
If I get you around, if I get you right,
No. You want some love? No, you're not getting any love. So you say, so you doom yourself now. So I'm gonna expose you.